I started first when I was researching myself on this question, looking at Ted Giora's Music, A Subversive History, written in 2019. And this is a work of music history. It's looking at the history of music rather than looking at how music can be historically analyzed and, you know, to analyze other historical events, which is more of what question two wants you to be doing. However, from the introduction, it lays out an interesting methodology and interesting theory about what music is. And Joa asks, what is it about music that makes its historical evolution pedigree so different from what we find in other modes of cultural expression? And he also asks, why does this cycle repeat with such brutal persistence over such broad expanses of time and history? And well, in this context, he's talking about the evolution of musical as a historical, of music, studying music as a, yeah, as a form of history in itself. I think this is really interesting. Um, the idea that this kind of pattern can be repeated over different historical time periods, different historical contexts and regions of the world. So, as we look more into the work of Katie Barclay today, I just want you to bear this in mind, and we can try and see, or you can try and see when you end up doing a reading on this, whether her theories about music and protest movements and music as a form of resistance and rebellion, whether the findings that she finds from an Irish context is also replicated in other contexts, such as the French Revolution. And when we read her work, we'll notice that she does actually pay quite a lot of attention to the French Revolution.